Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I am coming with a drive-by review of a skincare product that if you are a skincare junkie like I am, I think you will really love. It is by Tatcha, and I will be honest with you, this is the first product I ever purchased from Tatcha. The first product. Usually if I have anything from Tatcha, it was in sample form from Sephora. This is actually the first product full size that I've purchased from this company. And I love it. It is called Tatcha the Silk Serum. What it's supposed to do, it's supposed to visibly firm and smooth the look of fine lines while improving skin's texture, leave your skin looking radiant, and even help the look of your pores. I believe Tatcha is clean beauty at Sephora, I'm pretty sure, but I just want to show this to you. This is the box it came in, and then it comes in, obviously, presentation, and then it comes in this beautiful, beautiful container. The magic is inside here, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you a close-up of my skin. Get this hair out of the way. Other than I have a touch of concealer on under my eyes, and then just a little bit of lipstick, because I don't like going on camera without lipstick. That's the one thing I always want to have on. But this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. Has a very clean, beautiful scent. Look at this. I mean, it goes on. It's called Silk in the name, and it goes on like silk. It leaves your face looking like silk. Look at that. Just so beautiful. I could go out with my skin with nothing on, with just a little bit of concealer with this, because it makes your skin look plump and healthy and radiant and juicy. Love this. So if you're a skincare junkie like me and you want to have skin that looks more radiant and healthy looking, help with fine lines and wrinkles, I think you would love this serum. Now, as I've been talking, I've been listing some of the ingredients that are in here. Just testing it out my skin was what sold it for me. Just a fabulous skincare product. Tatcha, I didn't realize that you were so good. Really did not. And I may end up becoming addicted to this brand. Hopefully not, because it's expensive. But I wanted to give you a quick drive-by review of this in case you're looking for something that makes your skin look absolutely stunning. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.